Good.
To another bite?
It was a little wet down there this
Should we
year.
put another bite on your fork?
It wasn't like it was up here.
That's right.
We could still...
Here you go. Another bite.
Yummy.
Is it only good off a fork? Silly girl.
Yeah.
Except she has a little beard.
You are not your mother's daughter. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tim.
It's on this end. It's on this end. Do you want any more? Oh, all over the pan.